or getting like dull during the time that the client's wearing within 4 to 6 weeks, they might get turning tarnished because they wash their hand, they clean, they will dip in the house without like doing gloves on and so much chemicals. So it's the best to protect it. And then I'm gonna seal the beads. Make sure you seal the beads, to not only to keep it last long on the, with the designs, also is will protect this from getting tarnished. And each time you're feeling it, and now I'm gonna do some little exam right here. See her little like wing right here is pop up. So I'm gonna do little running a little of the seal like over here. And if you need to feel it more than one time, absolutely flash key it first, okay? And then you are going to seal that again, because otherwise you don't want to flood it your crystal with a lot of precision glue gel. It doesn't look really nice and flows after you key it. So now I am go ahead, I can see that couple of spot that I use a little bit much. So how we can able to get that off a little bit, I'm gonna using precision and of the tinted brush. I'm gonna give it really quick like swipe, blend it on the side, so then it will pretty much blending it all of the residue from the precision glue gels nicely and blend it nicely for you. So when you cure, after you cure, it doesn't look lumpy and it keep it really nice and flawless. All right, so now cure for 60 seconds.